everyone, what is going on and welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh and I'm the Daily Explorer. In today's video, I'm here at Lake Medina. This is the Granger Road entrance for Lake Medina. This is, as far as I know, this is the biggest water feature here in the Medina, Ohio area. So this was definitely a lot of fun covering this video. I personally have never been here, so I definitely would love to stop by here because it's definitely a really cool historical place with a lot of history. So let's go ahead and jump into the video while the sun's still out. Let's go ahead and let's do it, friends. All right, here I am at Lake Medina. So this should definitely be a really cool experience. It's a beautiful day today. Got some awesome water flowing right here. Little creek that runs right underneath the road right here. And goes and comes out right over here. And presumably this goes directly into there and then flows right into Lake Medina. But we will find out here in a moment. This is my first time here at this park. So we're going to see what this park has to offer. Like I said, it's a gorgeous day today. Absolutely fantastic. So we'll see what this has in store, and we'll kind of go from there. Okay, here's a board up here, Medina Park District board, that's going to show a little bit about the park and a map of the park itself. So Lake Medina shows all the different waterways and all the different roads that are around this area. Also shows the different trails and how far they are. Looks like the furthest trail is going to be a 1.4 mile with an easy difficulty. And the other ones are easy difficulties as well. They even have one that's 0.2 miles long, so it's quite interesting. Okay, here's a little bit of history about the park itself. In the early 1960s, the city of Medina was looking for a way to supplement its water supply. A decision to create an unplanned reservoir was made. An upland reservoir was made, and the development of Lake Medina began. Though the creation of a long earthen levee, the valley adjoining the west branch of the Rocky River was flooded with water pumped from the river. 3 large capacity pumps located in the concrete pump house on the northern side of the lake pumped water into the lake daily. So we will definitely get to see that pump house for sure in this video. In 2002, due to increasing demands for water usage as the city grew, an alternate water supply from Lake Erie was developed, and the lake was no longer used as a water supply for the city. In 2003, Medina County Park District secured a lease agreement with the city of Medina to turn the lake into a county park. Lake Medina is no longer a human water supply, so that's good to know. But it is an important water source for wildlife, particularly waterfowl, bald eagles, and osprey. From late February through the end of April each year, Lake Medina serves as a rest stop for migratory waterfowl such as loons, grebes, and a variety of ducks, geese, swans. Throughout the rest of the year, visitors may spot bald eagles and osprey. They use the area for hunting fish. Fishing is permitted, but fishing license is required, it looks like. So, very cool. Very, very cool. Definitely look forward. Just a little bit of brief history there. On the park itself, it's always good that they show some history. Show and give some history about these places. It's always a good thing. Okay, so I'm not sure how long of a walk it is. But we've got the river running along pretty good on the right-hand side. It's moving along pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. All right. Let's see, we got some abandoned stuff. We got abandoned stuff around here, so I might have some abandoned videos on some houses here in this area as well. All right, let's cut to the lake. Let's do it. Okay, this stuff was a slippery and slimy, muddy mess all the way down through here. Hasn't fully dried out yet. It's starting to thaw out, so that was a ton of fun. I saw people turning back too from this section, so, you know, A for effort for me, I guess, you know. So if you guys can, just for that alone, just leave a like on that video, because I got some muddy shoes now. But that's okay, we got up here. We're here, I think this is the lake. Let's see what we got. It's got to be right up here somewhere, right? There it is. There's the lake. Let's go. You got a nice pavilion, a nice shelter here for hanging out. This might be where I do my drone shots at. Bring the drone up here. Maybe, because like I said, it's a muddy mess over there. Oh, what is this? Yeah, maybe an old dock or something like that, or where they used to tie stuff off. Let's go down here. All right. Lake Medina, there she is. In all of her beauty with her $1 million plus houses. Somebody owns this property over here. Probably those people over there at that house, or another bigger house over there, but here's Lake Medina, look at it. I don't see any fish in there swimming around just yet. It's probably gonna take a while for everything to thaw out completely and the fish start moving around. I don't know when the fish actually start moving around. It's kind of interesting to think about, I guess. Looking in the water, it looks pretty void of any sort of movement at all. So interesting. Okay, let's jump back up on here on this concrete dock thing that they've got. Cool rock set up right there, presumably so nobody falls down the sill, or maybe just a border, I don't know. Rock set up right there. It's be a cool hill to sled down right here probably. Okay. Why do I feel like it's not going to get any drier? I don't know. This doesn't seem that bad, actually. This spot right here where I'm walking, it's not as muddy. Because back the other way where I just came from, tons of mud. It's got a wooden bench right here, overlooking the lake. There's another good view of the lake from this side here, from this angle. So yeah, there's a lot to see here. As far as I know, there's like a concrete pump house, it said. You know, we're reading the infographic or the little board they have. And it said there's a pump house on the north-hand side of Lake Medina. I'm assuming this is probably going to be it coming up, but I don't know. We're going to have to find out here in a moment. A little bit of mud right here. I'm going to have to do some dipping and weaving. Yeah, I really don't know where that river on the right-hand side goes. I have no idea. Yeah, they've got a nice, like, cable fence. For some reason, I don't know. Maybe it's because the rocks are right here. They don't want anybody to fall off and like knock their head and get knocked out and roll off into the water or something. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. Because there's rocks right here. You know, it's not like people are driving cars up here, you know. Here's a good look at where we came from. Parking lot on the left. Dead center is going to be that shelter area. Yeah, absolutely a remarkable day. Look at that. I don't know how well it translates on camera, but it is just an awesome day today. Today is just awesome. It's a beautiful day. Very few clouds in the sky. And it's warming up. It's supposed to be like almost 60 degrees or 55 degrees here today in Ohio. So this park, like I said, is right here, Medina, Ohio. So I'm trying to hit as many parks as I can in this area while I'm here. Also going to be doing some live streaming here soon. If you guys can, on this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Definitely means a lot to me. Yo, you guys, I'm totally cooked right now. I just realized there's a trail down here. That's like concrete pathway down there. And I'm up here on this. I guess this is more scenic because of the river, because of Lake Medina. But I just realized there's a path down there. We're gonna have to make our way down there and figure out what is down there and what is across that bridge over there. Because there's a bridge right there. And we might even be able to get a better view of the concrete pump house from down there as well. I don't think there's really a way to connect to get down there without me running down this hill. And that's probably not gonna work very well. It's a pretty steep hill. I don't know if I'd mess with it. At least not in these shoes. If I had my boots on, maybe, but still, it's steep. All right, here's the concrete pump house itself. I wonder, I don't think that it is active anymore. It looks pretty defunct, and a lot of the images that I saw, there was a lot of vines and stuff like that. I can see the vines, they were all grown up the side, all the way up the top pretty much, so. Super cool, dude. Love it. They've barricaded everything. They got that barricaded off. They've got this barricaded off. They've got the light barricaded off. This door has obviously been broken into numerous times. They've got it probably welded shut. Who knows? Door handle's missing. Like I said, I don't think there's any real way for me to get down there right now without getting down that hill. Then I'll have to get back up the hill. So I'm going to have to, further in the video, I'm going to have to get down there and we're going to have to check out the concrete pump house from the other side. So make sure you stay tuned in the video because we'll be looking at this thing from multiple angles. Try to get it on the drone as well. Get some good drone video of it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Some nice benches around here. Donated by Lake Medina Open Water Swim Group. Yeah, it's awesome. Very, very cool. I'm gonna look for more structures and stuff. There's a lot of water rushing around to the right-hand side. I figured for sure that water would have connected somewhere, but I don't know if it does or not, friends. I don't know if it does or not. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, I've been walking for what seems to be ages now on this path. Holy cow. Holy cow. I'm trying to get down to that other path down there. I see some lady up here. Ma'am, how do I get down there? You've got to help me. Oh my God. Ma'am, I've been walking for hours. You've got to help me, ma'am. Oh my God. How do I get down there? How do I get down there, ma'am? She was like, just run down the hill. Just run down the hill. You got it. I trip and fall and break my neck and die. Yeah, that's how that would go. Ma'am, help me. I'm just kidding, I digress. But I'm trying to get down there. I have no idea. So I'll figure it out eventually. I'll keep walking. If anything, I'll just run on this hill. It's not my neck. So we'll see what happens. These houses over to the left-hand side are absolutely insane. It's incredible. I just looked on maps. Like I said, I've been walking for like 15 million years or something like that. It seems like this stuff just all kind of loops and connects together down there. So down the hill I go. Here we go. Hopefully I don't die. This is actually not too bad of a spot, honestly. I wouldn't trust this any other time. Right now, there are not as many ticks out and stuff. Oh, and it wasn't too bad. It could have been a lot worse. I'm down here. We're down here, so. I made the journey. It's a lot better than some of the other sections. Some of the other sections, like I said, were really steep, and it really messed myself up. So let's go down here. Let's check out the concrete pump house from this side, as well as I think there's a bridge over here, and we'll see if there's anything else we can see. So, oh my God. Oh my God, I've been walking for ages again. Oh, Jesus. I don't even see the pump house. Do you guys see the pump house? I don't see it. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. I've been walking. I haven't seen anybody in like another 15 million hours. It's pretty insane. I'm no stranger to walking, you know what I'm saying? But this is just like, you got to be ready to walk, boy. You got to be ready to go. You got to be ready to blow out a toe. Go to the emergency room. They'll freaking cut your toe off, and then you'll just keep walking. You'll go back to the same spot where you left off, where you blew your toe out. You just keep walking, man. You'll just keep going. That's kind of the scenario that we're looking at right now, but I don't know. We'll see here in a second if I can find this concrete pump house. Okay. Oh God. This has been going on for so long. I've been walking for so long here trying to get back here that my shoe has started to make noises. For the love of God, my right shoe has started to make a weird noise. I don't know, I think it popped. I think it deflated. Sole probably fell off halfway back. I have no idea. But my sole is still here and we're still going, baby. We're still headed in the right direction. I see the concrete pump house coming up here on the right-hand side. Got some folks coming up though. I'll let them pass so that way I can view this beauty in peace. All right, I'm happy that I came to the back of the concrete pump house here because they have this really awesome greetings from Lake Medina, Medina County Park District, kind of banner here, which is really awesome to see. I think it's huge, man. Look at that. I don't know what these wires are hanging down, but it's a little sketchy, but besides that, that is a cool banner. I'll tell you what, look at that. Very, very cool. I'll have to for sure get some good pictures of that. And right behind me, there's a bridge over here. So we're gonna probably go that direction and check that out. Looks like that might go along the river, but I definitely wanted to check out what was behind this concrete pump house. And I'm really, really happy that I did because I would have never seen this. There's no indication that this is back here. So it's like, you know, yeah, awesome. Okay, I'm heading across the bridge right now, heading away from the concrete pump station. Got some new boards that have been placed in here. It's always good to see that. That tells us that the bridge is falling apart slowly but surely, board by board. You never know which board is going to be yours, you know? All right. It's a cool look over the railing here. Give us a good view of the river here, or whatever it is. I'm not really sure if this is a river or not. I guess it's not a part of Lake Medina that I can tell. It's not connected that I can see. It's not very deep. Some sections look like it's only a few inches, so. Yeah, pretty cool. I really don't know what is this direction, where this is gonna take me, but I guess we'll see here shortly. All right, everyone, that's pretty much it as far as what I can tell. I think we've pretty much seen all of what Lake Medina has to offer here. It was really rather limited and rather short because a lot of the houses around here have made it kind of private around the lake. So there was only like trails and stuff like that around one portion. So I guess what can you do? At least we had a chance to explore it. This was my first time here, so I definitely had a lot of fun covering this. If you guys did like the video, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me. I will be trying to do a lot more videos like this, as well as a lot more other videos. So I've got a lot of stuff planned in the upcoming days, especially as the weather gets nice, because it's a beautiful day. So it's definitely a day to be out here and adventuring. So that's what it's all about, getting out there and exploring. So my name is Josh and I'm the Daily Explorer. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm out.